Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery and performance, and here click on battery optimization. Here you can simply activate power saving mode by tapping on battery saver here. Now confirm that you would like to activate this mode, in which your device will restrict the activity of system apps, freeze apps in the background, clear cache, and turn off background services. Click on OK if you truly want to extend your battery life. And that's it. Now we are in power saving mode. Then if you'd like to switch it off, simply click on the same icon one more time. You can also access low power solution through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, then locate power saving mode icon. Here it is, battery saver. Simply by tapping you can activate this mode. Then if you would like to switch off your device, switch off this mode in your device, tap on the same icon one more time. Simply click on battery saver, and now you are back in the normal mode, in normal usage. So that's all. This is how you can save power in your device, in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Use it as often as you want to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.